Happy Mind Over Matter Monday. Welcome to the Grapevine, home of DHI 88.8 Healing Frequency, where we get it straight from the source. The overall energy for today is 9 of Pentacles, Virgo, and Venus, and the moon, it is still in Aquarius. Congrats for using your mind to stay bold, beautiful, and bountiful in nature. You are the Most High God's favorite. Continue to rise, shine, and strengthen your divine connection to the May, Ja, 9 blessings. Enjoy.